Struggling with meal prep taking too much time and space? Stop wasting money on takeout. In today's video, we're revealing the best tools for meal prepping that help you cook faster, store smarter, and keep food fresh all week. These Amazon kitchen finds are perfect for busy schedules, small kitchens, and anyone serious about saving time and money. If you want cleaner counters, faster prep, and stress-free cooking, you're gonna love these picks. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart kitchen finds and home must-haves. All product links are in the description below. Check the latest prices, deals, and real customer reviews. Let's dive in and upgrade your meal prep setup today. Number 1. Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer is a smart solution for keeping food fresh longer while saving kitchen space. This powerful handheld vacuum sealer quickly removes air to lock in freshness and flavor. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store, carry, or even use while traveling. The included 30 reusable vacuum bags are perfect for sealing snacks, leftovers, fruits, and meal prep items. It helps reduce food waste and saves money by extending food shelf life. Simple one-hand operation makes it ideal for busy kitchens. A great choice for anyone who wants fast, clean, and reliable food sealing at home. Number 2. Silicone Freezer Molds Gift Set. This silicone freezer molds gift set is perfect for organized meal prep and portion control. It includes 4 different sizes, allowing you to freeze sauces, soups, baby food, or leftovers easily. The flexible food-grade silicone makes releasing frozen food quick and mess-free. Tight-fitting lids help prevent spills and protect food from freezer odors. These molds are dishwasher-safe and easy to clean, saving time in the kitchen. Their stackable design helps maximize freezer space. Ideal for busy households, this set makes freezing and storing food more convenient, efficient, and stress-free every day. Number 3. Ninja QB1004 Blender Food Processor. The Ninja QB1004 blender and food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for fast meal prep. Its 450-watt motor blends fruits and vegetables smoothly for shakes and smoothies. The 48-ounce pitcher is great for family-sized drinks, while the 16-ounce chopper bowl handles small chopping tasks. The 40-ounce processor bowl is ideal for larger food prep jobs. Easy-to-clean parts save time after cooking. Compact yet powerful, this combo appliance replaces multiple tools in your kitchen. A solid choice for healthy cooking, quick meals, and everyday food preparation. Number 4. Loray's 40-piece glass food storage containers. The Loray's 40-piece glass food storage container set is built for serious meal prep and organization. Airtight, leak-proof lids keep food fresh and prevent spills. The BPA-free glass containers are safe for microwave, freezer, and dishwasher use. Their stackable design helps save space in cabinets, fridges, and pantries. Multiple container sizes make storing leftovers, lunches, and prepped meals easy. Durable glass resists stains and odors, keeping food clean and fresh. This set is perfect for anyone who wants healthy storage, better organization, and long-lasting kitchen containers. Number 5. Prep Deck Gen 2 Recipe Prep and Storage Station Midnight Black. Prep Deck Gen 2 is an all-in-one recipe prep and storage station designed to simplify cooking. It includes 8 essential tools, a deluxe cutting board, and 14 containers with super seal lids. Ingredients stay fresh and organized while you cook. Removable trash compartments keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. The built-in tablet stand allows hands-free recipe viewing. This system saves time, reduces mess, and improves workflow in the kitchen. Its sleek, midnight black design looks modern and professional, perfect for home cooks who want faster, cleaner, and more organized meal preparation. Number 6. KitchenAid KQ909 Digital Kitchen Scale. The KitchenAid PlayQ909 Digital Kitchen Scale offers accurate measurements for cooking and baking. Its dual-platform design allows you to weigh both large and small ingredients easily. The main platform handles up to 11 pounds, while the precision scale measures up to 16 ounces. A clear digital display provides quick and easy readings. The stainless steel surface is durable and simple to clean. Compact and stylish, it fits neatly on any countertop. Ideal for portion control, baking accuracy, and healthy cooking. a reliable tool for anyone who values precision in the kitchen. Number 7. Razzob 35-piece glass food storage. The Razzob 35-piece glass food storage set is perfect for meal prep and daily food organization. Airtight, leak-proof lids keep meals fresh and prevent spills. BPA-free glass containers are safe for microwave, oven, and dishwasher use. The set also includes plastic sauce containers for dips and dressings. Glass resists stains and odors, making cleaning easy. Multiple sizes allow flexible storage for meals and snacks. Great for lunches, leftovers, and fridge organization. This set is ideal for anyone who wants safe, durable, and practical food storage. Number 8. Prep Deck Gen 2 Recipe Prep Station, White Stone. The Prep Deck Gen 2 in White Stone is a complete kitchen prep system for organized cooking. It features 8 essential tools, a strong cutting board, and 14 containers with super seal lids. Ingredients stay fresh and ready while you cook. Removable trash compartments make cleanup fast and easy. The built-in tablet stand allows hands-free recipe access. Its clean, white stone design fits modern kitchens beautifully. This station saves time, reduces mess, and improves efficiency. Ideal for meal prepping, daily cooking, and keeping your kitchen neat and stress-free. Number 9. Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop. The Ninja Food Chopper Express Chop is a compact and powerful tool for quick daily food prep. Its 200-watt motor handles chopping, mincing, grinding, and blending with ease. The 16-ounce bowl is perfect for small meals, snacks, herbs, and sauces. One-touch operation makes it extremely easy to use, even for beginners. Dishwasher-safe parts allow fast and simple cleanup after use. Its small footprint fits perfectly in apartments and small kitchens. Ideal for busy cooks who want fast results without bulky appliances. This chopper saves time and keeps meal prep simple and efficient. Number 10. Super Cubes Silicone Freezer Molds Gift Set. Super Cube silicone freezer molds are designed to make meal prep clean and organized. This set includes multiple portion sizes, making it easy to freeze soups, sauces, stocks, and leftovers. Flexible silicone trays allow frozen food to release smoothly without cracking or breaking. Tight-fitting lids help prevent spills and freezer odors. The stackable design saves freezer space while keeping portions clearly measured. Durable silicone resists wear and lasts for years. Perfect for batch cooking and reducing food waste, this set is a smart choice for anyone who prepares meals ahead of time. Number 11. Mueller Pro Chopper Vegetable Cutter. The Mueller Pro Chopper is a time-saving kitchen essential for fast vegetable prep. It features 8 sharp blades that slice, dice, and chop evenly in seconds. The built-in container catches food neatly, keeping countertops clean and organized. A secure handguard improves safety during use. Compact and easy to store, it fits well in any kitchen. Ideal for onions, carrots, peppers, and more, this chopper reduces prep time dramatically. Perfect for home cooks who want consistent cuts without using electricity, it makes everyday cooking faster and more convenient. Number 12. Crock-Pot 20-ounce Electric Lunchbox. The Crock-Pot 20-ounce electric lunchbox lets you enjoy warm meals anywhere. Its compact and portable design fits easily into work bags or car cup holders. The spill-free lid helps prevent leaks while traveling. This food warmer heats meals evenly without drying them out. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning quick and easy. Perfect for office lunches, road trips, or daily commutes, it removes the need for a microwave. Stylish and practical, this lunchbox is ideal for anyone who wants hot, homemade meals on busy days. Number 13. Mueller Pro Series 12-Blade Mandolin Slicer. The Mueller Pro Series 12-Blade Mandolin Slicer is an all-in-one solution for fast food prep. It slices, dices, grates, and spiralizes vegetables with precision. 12 interchangeable blades offer multiple cutting styles for different recipes. A sturdy container catches food neatly, reducing mess during use. Sharp blades ensure clean and consistent cuts every time. Built for durability, this slicer saves time and effort in the kitchen. Ideal for salads, meal prep, and healthy cooking, it's a powerful manual tool for everyday use. Number 14. V-Top Mart 8-Pack Glass Food Storage Containers. V-Top Mart glass food storage containers are perfect for healthy meal prep and storage. Airtight lids keep food fresh and prevent leaks. Made from BPA-free glass, they are safe for microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher use. The containers resist stains and odors, making cleaning easy. Ideal for office lunches, leftovers, and weekly meal prep. Their durable design helps reduce plastic waste at home. With practical sizes and strong seals, this set is a reliable choice for organized and safe food storage. Number 15. WiseGo Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set. The WiseGo Stainless Steel Mixing Bowl Set offers durability and versatility for everyday kitchen use. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, these bowls resist rust and last for years. They are perfect for mixing ingredients, storing food, or organizing meal prep. The lid-free design allows easy stacking and quick cleaning. Safe for hot and cold foods, they perform well in busy kitchens. Eco-friendly construction helps reduce plastic use, ideal for cooks who prefer simple, strong, and long-lasting kitchen tools. Number 16. MMCIRCO 22-ounce glass meal prep containers. MMCIRCO glass meal prep containers are designed for daily portion control and organized meals. Each 22-ounce container is perfect for lunches and dinners. Tight-fitting lids help prevent leaks and keep food fresh. Safe for microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher use, they offer excellent convenience. Durable glass resists stains and odors, making them easy to clean. The sleek gray design looks modern and professional. With 10 containers included, this set is ideal for weekly meal prep and healthy eating routines. Number 17. Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer. The Mueller Vegetable Chopper Mandolin Slicer makes food prep faster and cleaner. It slices, dices, grates, and chops vegetables with consistent results. Sharp blades handle onions, cheese, and vegetables easily. The attached container keeps chopped food organized and mess-free. Compact and easy to store, it fits well in any kitchen. Detachable parts make cleaning simple after use. Perfect for everyday cooking, this tool saves time and effort while delivering reliable performance for home chefs. Thanks for watching today's top picks from GadgetNest. If you love discovering smart kitchen gadgets that make life easier, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with our latest finds. All product links and the newest prices are in the description below, so don't miss out on these amazing deals. Have a question or a gadget you want us to review? Drop a comment. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.